Panguva ino VP Constantino Chiwenga and Anselm Sanyatwe, they are now being attacked. We are seeing Uganda panguva ino. They are taking the pieces of evidence, my headlines. ATAURA ekumayezi atona kuti before or kunana around 2024. Panguva ino, they are using as my tools to attack the general. Pamwe chete na Anselm Sanyatwe. Panguva ino, kwatikuona kuti Uganda they are taking advantage. Panguva ino twakwanisa kuwina my supporters for now the 2030 don't was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Panguva ino took one of the bill has been signed. To go and poster this post yanganzi, I'm has the right to go into politics. Under Wanyora Panguva ino caption or GT. Mnangagwa want to ban elections and create a dynasty. Chiwenga and Sanyatwe wanted to continue with the Zambia rigging elections and killing opponents. So those who are supporting Chiwenga and Sanyatwe and hating Mnangagwa, Mkakwa na ere, Tim Sungano Panai. Panguva ino atasangana in this daily news, headline noti, Army has a right to go into politics. Certain boss is that ZANPF will rule forever. Though the headline 2024 took on out Ragu Secretary Uganda, the commander of the Zimbabwe National Army ZNA, Anselm Sanyatwe says, the ruling ZANPF will remain in power forever. Sanyatwe, who succeeded David Skauke as the boss of the country's army last year, also argued this past weekend that there was nothing wrong with the military getting involved in politics. Speaking at a ZANU-PF inter-district meeting in Yanga, and in remarks that will displease the country's opposition and rights group alike, Sanyatwe added that traditional leaders who did not support ZANU-PF would be flushed out. When we came back from the war, we lived at this particular tree and we were received by a Mondoro, a garden spirit. This tree was born an ambassador, and this tree is born a lieutenant general, and this tree is born a commander of the army who is speaking with you. Doma developments are panguva ino kuti panguva ino Ugandas they are now taking these pieces of evidence attacking panguva ino VP Constantino Chiwenga nana Anselm Sanyatwe anoonekwa kunzi they are opposed kuma constitutional amendments pamwe chete ne term extension yemutungamiri wenyika. Comment section medu mzafungiro enyi muri kudimba msari kwechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like pachonda the bell icon.